Baba na agad. Okay, again. Attention. Hand salute. Ready, two. Okay, ha? Sa panunod pa, hindi pwede mag-salute. Scout sign tayo yan. So, after baba ng kamay, I will say again, scout sign. Scout sign. Ready, two. Okay, ganyan na. Sige, again na, again. From the start tayo. After the prayer, sasabihin ng MC, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem. Hand salute. Ready, two. Scout sign. Ready, two. Okay, again na. Ang scout sign, ani. Dikit ang inyong arm sa inyong shoulder. Magganito.